Oh no, what the frick is going on with everyone? Oh no! I'm so related because I can't really be serious with everyone like this. What the frick? And we get a bloody penguin racing! What? Help me! What should I do, Miko? Please help me. And my answer. Oh my god. Give me what? No. Everyone, warm up lap. Everyone, don't comment anything about my. Please don't. You're opposite. I swear to God, I can't compete in this race properly because of these guys. I myself is the brain. What is going on? Right. I'm dying. Hold on, I need to rejoin again because like the spectating is working. Bruh, my throat. What have you guys done? Behind Wolf Team Racing. Wolf Team Racing still leading the race. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 riders left. Earlier we had a lot more people, and right now we only see a few riders. 6. And that's Wolf Team Racing right now. Oh, we're seeing a battle right now. Adam Zach taking the lead of the race. Wolf Team Racing dropping to position 2. Wolf Team Racing still not gonna give up on the position. He's still gonna fight for it, I guess. Adam Zach right now had the position 1. And oh, really slow turning right there by Adam Zach. Right now, Wolf Team Racing goes wide. Ow, that's a really wide corner by Wolf Team Racing, but right now trying to catch up with Adam Zach back again. Adam Zach goes wide. They are both battling really nicely indeed right there. Into the heartbreaking point. Who's gonna be on the last? On the break. Ooh, that is really deep for Adam Zach. And Adam Zach right now still maintaining the position 1. Wolf Team Racing still just keeping up, just right behind him. They are both battling really intensely. And Adam Zach maintaining the lead of the race. Wolf Team Racing probably right now just gonna be calm because it's still a long way to go into the final corners. Ooh, goes wide Adam Zach. Still maintaining the lead, I can say. Wolf Team Racing just literally a couple of millimeters just right behind Adam Zach into the turn 1 right now. Who's gonna take the first position? Side by side. And still Adam Zach in the lead into the turn 4, 5 and 6. And Wolf Team Racing had a better but goes wide right now. Adam Zach right now coming back around and gain the lead again. This is an intense battle, and it's currently lap number 4 or something. It's lap number 6. And shout me out, what do you mean? Right to the turn 1 right now, Adam Zach maintaining the lead. Oh, what happened? Something happened! Adam Zach hit an invisible wall or something. Oh my goodness me, something is wrong. Adam was the prawn? Oh my goodness. That is so much bad luck for Wolf Team Racing. Sorry, Adam Zak. His day couldn't get any worse, as Wolf Team Racing is right now creating a big gap between him and Adam Zak. It's such a bad luck for Adam Zak right now. Team, we're coming back to the racing right now. Wolf Team Racing is comfortable ahead. Oh, disqualified for linked. Oh no! No! He's out! Wolf Team Racing out! He hit the wall! He hit the wall! Oh no! That is such a bad luck! What a disaster for today! Wolf Team Racing out, giving the chance for Adam Zak to bring it home! That is such a bad luck for Wolf Team Racing. He hit the wall and lose the rear tire snap, and that is a chance. That is the chance for the championship for Adam Zak, unless he actually make the same mistake as Wolf Team Racing. And we can see Adam Zak gonna cross the line now and bring the Ducati home for position one. P1 for Adam Zak. With a lot of mistake he made, and this time it finally got to Adam Zak. The win is for the Adam Zak. Mike expected to finish in the podium only in position 3, but managed to bring the bike home for position 2, even though not on the maximum performance, but it's a lucky day for him. P2 for Mike Petahas. And it's Unreal Killer, the bunny, blah 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 blah, coming to the final corner right now and finish in the podium finishes. It's podium finish for Unreal Killer, and Rene confirmed to be in position 4. What an amazing performance by Adam Zak, and an unlucky finish for an unlucky finish for Wolf Team Racing, bringing it home for the KTM, and it's position 4 for Rene. Well, the final confirmation, P1 for Adam Zak, P2 Mike Petahas, and P3 for I forgot, Unreal Killer, and P4 for Rene. Not many people survived this race, but I can say it's a nice performance and an unlucky one for Wolf Team Racing. An amazing GT3 win, an amazing sprint race win, but an unlucky finish for the race at the Circuit of the America. Look at the three of them celebrating down there. My goodness me. Should we join the party? Are you spectating them right now, or like synchronize? Oh my god. Highlight. I don't know if Miko gonna highlight you guys or not, but yeah, I'm not the one that recording.